2 mangoes, 1 condensed milk, and 1 nestle cream. Hi guys! Gagawa ako ng mango ice cream. Come, I'll show you how to do it. 2 mangoes, large mangoes, 1 condensed milk, 1 can, 1 nestle cream, 1 cup. And let's slice the mangoes and put everything in the blender. Let's slice the mangoes, guys. And I think you can put the sliced mangoes directly to the blender. Just 3 ingredients: mangoes, nestle cream, and condensed milk. You don't need ice or anything. Malinis pa yan. I can still add. Yeah. So what my hands first. This is the sliced mangoes. Put directly into the blender. And you can open 1 condensed milk. Just put everything. If you want less sweet, you can just approximate 3/4 of the can, but I want all 1 can, and open the nestle cream. Just pour everything. More yummy and more soft. This. So easy to make. Now, what you do is close it and blend. Now, let's connect this to the body of the blender. See that? Now it's connected. Now let's blend. Done. Very easy. You see? Wow. Very smooth and very silky. I'll show you. See? Yeah. good. This is ready to keep in the freezer. At least put in the freezer for 2 hours if you want to eat it after 2 hours, or you can put overnight. Okay, this is the way how to make mango ice cream, the easiest way. Thanks guys for watching. I'll show you the outcome after overnight or after 2 hours. Sarap, tinikman ko. It's not really sweet. Tama lang. It's perfect. Thank you guys for watching. Hi guys! Ito na yung mango ice cream kong ginawa after keep in the freezer. Now, Robin will try. Robin?
Hello guys! Okay.
I'm gonna try my mango ice cream.
It's good, I like it.
What do you say? What can you say about my?
It's so good, guys. You have to try that. This. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe. One more bite.